Okay, today I come up with this 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5 piece of fabric, like scratch, right? And I'm not sure what it will be today, but I hope it will be some kind of nice, beautiful kind of thing. I don't know, dress, skirt, whatever I come up with. So you see that, right? So I like really, it's pretty, but it's like a small piece. I'm not sure if I will use this, but I'll do this. Who knows, maybe. Okay? So here we go. Okay, this is what I come with. So this is like skirt, right? 2 pieces, front and back. 2 sleeves. It will be back, and this will be front, just plain blue, because I think it already will be too much. And after I will put them together, I will show to you how it looks when it's ready. So I hope you will like it. Okay, I put sleeves together to the front and back, I mean back and front together and sleeves together, and I have to do the rest. So let's focus on the rest and see you later. Okay. Now remember all those pieces. Now it's become short and skirt, and I add to this like all that fabric. So now it's Velcro here, so this is how it looks inside, right? This is how it looks outside, right? And this is the back. Pretty. I love it. So now I will show to you how it looks when you wear this skirt and shirt on doll. So now look how it looks when it's on the doll, and you can call this as dress. I don't know, sunbone maybe, like you can go and dance with this, and like festival. Show a little bit more detail. I think it's pretty. Another thing. This is how we make the pretty stuff from the scratch.